Hello, welcome to my channel. You see I got a scrambled 8x8 right here. I'm going to solve this. And in another video, you might have seen it or not, I solved a terraminx, which is like if you know what a megaminx is, it's like a pentagon instead of a square cube. But the terraminx was a 7x7x7, but it took 2 hours and 15 minutes to solve. This cube will probably be a lot faster, even though it's an 8x8, which is bigger than 7x7. This cube will definitely be a lot easier and faster, so let's get started. 3, 2, 1. Oh, dang. The timer reset itself. Okay, whatever. I solved the 8x8 Rubik's Cube. I think it said like 13 something minutes. But this was way easier and way faster than the terraminx. This cube is nothing compared to the terraminx. Unfortunately, I accidentally reset the timer at the end. I guess that's the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.